Have you ever asked yourself, why don't I feel like myself anymore? You survived the injury, but now you're stuck in a body and a mind that doesn't feel like home anymore. If you're over 40 and still feeling lost, this message is for you because I see you and you are not alone. Hey, beautiful soul. I am Janet Shane, a certified mindset coach and optimization coach for women traumatic brain injury survivors over 40. I help women like you to rebuild your confidence, reclaim your peace, and rediscover your self-worth from the inside out. Today, I am sharing 3 powerful self-care strategies that have helped me and my clients to reconnect with who they are even after the world seemed to be shifted beneath their feet. And if you're ready to take that first step today, I created something just for you. It's called the Clarity Journal. It is 5 prompts to begin reclaiming your peace, self-worth, and joy after your traumatic brain injury. It's gentle, soul-centered, and designed specifically for women walking this path. You can grab it in the link below. I'll tell you more about it later on how to use it in the video. So, if you've been feeling overwhelmed, disconnected, or like you're just going through the motions after your injury, stay with me. Because by the end of this video, you'll have 3 doable, life-giving self-care strategies that go far beyond bubble baths or spa days, which are nice, but they're more than that. We're talking about deep healing, soul-level shifts. Are you ready? If so, let's go. Our first strategy may seem simple, but it's one of the most powerful. It's creating sacred morning moments. Let me explain. After my brain injury, I used to wake up feeling behind before I even got out of bed. The noise in my head would start immediately. You're not enough. You'll never get it all done. You should be further along. But what shifted everything was creating a gentle 10-minute space just for me. No phone, no news, just stillness. Sometimes I journaled a prayer, or I said a prayer, a morning affirmation prayer, giving gratitude. Sometimes I just sipped tea and breathe deeply. Sometimes I'd sit with a verse like, "Be still and know that I am God." Psalms 46:10. That small act said, I matter. My peace matters. And it reminded me that I don't have to hustle for my worth. My worth was never gone, just buried under the noise. This is self-care at the soul level, and it's available to you every morning. Next is something many of us avoid after injury, loving the body we now live in. I get it. After traumatic brain injury, our bodies don't move the same. They fatigue faster, they ache, and sometimes we feel betrayed by them. We compare ourselves to our old body, and all we see is limitations everywhere. But hear me, your body is not broken. It's just trying so hard to support you. It deserves your kindness, not your criticism. Self-care here can be gentle movement, a 5-minute walk, a few stretches by the window, even placing your hand on your heart and whispering, "Thank you for showing up for me today." And if that feels hard, start small. Start with what feels safe, like possibly a high five in the mirror. Then build on that. Because when you stop worrying with your body and you create a space for healing to begin, if this is resonating with you, now is a perfect time to download your copy of the Clarity Journal. It'll guide you gently into a reconnecting with your thoughts and emotions and body, one prompt at a time. The link's below. Don't miss it. The third strategy is one many skip, but it's foundational. Real, unfiltered check-ins with your emotions and with God. After my injury, I tried to stay positive for everyone. I didn't want to be burdened. I smiled and nodded and cried in silence. But God can't heal what we hide. One day I journaled a simple prayer. God, I feel lost. I miss me. Show me who I am. And what came next was a flood of tears, then peace. You don't have to pretend your frustrations, anger, grief, confusion. They're not sins. They're signposts pointing to where God wants you to meet Him. Set aside 5 to 10 minutes a day. Open your journal. Ask God, what's going on inside me today? And write what comes, even if it's messy, especially when it's messy. That's not weakness, that's trust. So, if you felt like peace, confidence, or self-worth are far off, please hear me. They're not lost. They're just buried underneath trauma, busyness, and disconnection. But through sacred morning space, body compassion, and emotional check-ins with your God and yourself, you can come back home to yourself. And if you're ready to begin, download that Clarity Journal. 5 gentle prompts to help you reclaim your peace, your voice, and your worth. It's free, it's faith-rooted, and it was made for this exact moment in your journey. The link is right below. If this message spoke to you, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Below, I'd love to know which strategy are you going to try first. You are not alone. You are not too far gone, and you are more than